Intel or AMD? The honest answer is that it depends, not in a vague way, but on something very specific, what you actually do in front of your screen every day. We are going to place each processor side by side, level by level, so you can see exactly what you get from each brand at the same price range. Intel Core i3 and AMD Ryzen 3. This is the level of the average user. The student, the office worker, the person who needs their computer to work without spending a fortune. Intel Core i3 latest generation. It is solid and predictable. It handles office productivity, video calls, and browsing with multiple tabs open without any effort. Its biggest advantage is in laptops with the U suffix. The energy efficiency is notable and battery life lasts longer than its AMD equivalent. For integrated graphics, it uses Intel UHD, which is sufficient for basic tasks but leaves no room for anything beyond that. AMD Ryzen 3 latest generation. It comes with more cores at the same price, which translates directly into better multitasking when running several applications at the same time. Models with the G suffix include high-performance Radeon integrated graphics. On a desktop without a dedicated graphics card, the Ryzen 3G allows you to run light games with a smoothness the standard i3 cannot match. In terms of pure performance per dollar on desktop, the Ryzen 3 comes out ahead at this level. Intel Core i5 and AMD Ryzen 5. This is the segment where more processors are sold than anywhere else in the world. This is where most users live and where making the right or wrong choice has the most impact on your budget. Intel Core i5 14th generation. With up to 14 cores combining P-cores and E-cores, it handles programming, photo editing, and competitive gaming without any issues. Its hybrid architecture allows it to be very powerful when you push it and efficient when you do not. In games that rely on single-thread performance, the i5 has a clear advantage over its AMD equivalent. AMD Ryzen 5 Zen 4 architecture. Better energy efficiency under medium load and stronger multi-core performance. In tasks that take advantage of multiple cores simultaneously, such as code compilation or editing with multiple effect layers, it frequently matches or surpasses the i5. AMD's AM5 socket is more modern and has a longer projected lifespan. When the next processor generation arrives, you will likely be able to upgrade without replacing the motherboard. At the entry price point, the Ryzen 5 is usually more affordable. However, the total system cost can vary depending on the motherboard you choose for each platform. Intel Core i7 and AMD Ryzen 7. This is where serious content creators, streamers, and gamers who want no compromises enter the picture. At this level, both brands bring their strongest arguments. Intel Core i7 14700K. With 20 hybrid cores and an unlocked multiplier for overclocking, it is a solid option for those who work with simultaneous heavy workloads, recording your screen, exporting video, and running a game on ultra settings at the same time without losing performance. In single-core performance and overclocking, the i7K remains one of the most capable processors available in this price range. It generates significant heat under maximum load, so it requires an adequate cooling solution to perform at its full potential. AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D. This processor has something the i7 cannot replicate: 3D V-cache, an additional layer of cache memory stacked physically on top of the cores that reduces latency in games so significantly that the 7800X3D frequently surpasses the i7 in FPS, even though it has lower clock speeds. In gaming benchmarks, it is the most efficient processor of its generation in this range. For a user whose primary use is gaming, it is difficult to justify choosing anything else. However, in 3D rendering or 4K video export with multiple effects, the i7 14700K catches up or surpasses it because it has more cores working in parallel. Intel Core i9 and AMD Ryzen 9. At this level, we are no longer talking about price, we're talking about raw power. These processors are designed for professionals who depend on their computer to work and need to save every possible second in rendering and export times. Intel Core i9 14900K. With 24 cores, it can handle cinematic-level 3D rendering, 8K video editing with multiple effect layers, and large-scale software compilations simultaneously. Its weak point is heat. Under maximum load, it reaches very high temperatures that require liquid cooling at minimum. Without an adequate cooling system, thermal throttling will slow it down before it reaches its performance ceiling. In absolute peak performance, the i9 is one of the fastest consumer processors available today. AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. It responds with 16 highly efficient Zen 4 cores. It generates considerably less heat than the i9 under similar loads, which allows it to maintain its maximum frequencies for longer periods without throttling down to protect itself. Under sustained workloads, renders that last hours, not just minutes, that efficiency becomes a real and measurable advantage. The Ryzen 9 finishes the job with less heat and lower power consumption. In short, intense performance bursts, the i9 may pull ahead. In long, continuous sessions, the Ryzen 9 tends to match or exceed the final result. Intel Core Ultra and AMD Ryzen AI. This is the level that few people are paying attention to today, but it will define the market over the next 3 years. Both brands have integrated an NPU, neural processing unit, directly into the chip to handle artificial intelligence tasks. Intel Core Ultra. The NPU handles tasks such as automatic framing in video calls, real-time image enhancement, and generating effects in design software. By delegating that work to the NPU, the CPU and GPU are free for other tasks, which saves battery life and keeps the machine running cooler. Intel has more partnerships with software developers to optimize applications for its platform, which today means greater compatibility with tools that already take advantage of the NPU. AMD Ryzen AI 8000 and 9000 series. AMD's NPU records a higher TOPS score, AI operations per second, than Intel's in several current benchmarks, positioning it better for the applications arriving in 2026. The 8000 series combines very powerful integrated graphics with AI capability. The 9000 series targets maximum efficiency and raw performance with dedicated cores for artificial intelligence. Neither platform has shown its full potential yet. The applications that take full advantage of the NPU are only just reaching the market. Other factors. Beyond the performance at each level, there are factors that affect your experience for years that almost no one mentions when buying. Platform and longevity. AMD with its AM5 socket has projected support through 2027 and beyond. That means when the next Zen 5 or Zen 6 generation arrives, you will likely be able to swap just the processor without touching the motherboard. Intel has historically changed sockets more frequently, which can mean higher costs with each upgrade cycle. Intel's hybrid architecture. P-cores handle heavy tasks and E-cores handle background tasks like updates or the antivirus. It is an efficient design in practice, but it works better on Windows 11 than on older versions of the operating system. Memory compatibility. Both AMD AM5 and Intel on their most recent platform require DDR5. However, AMD on AM4 still accepts DDR4, which can be an advantage if you are reusing components from a previous build to reduce the total system cost. Intel and AMD are not good or bad options. They are different tools that win in different scenarios. Intel has the advantage in high-frequency gaming and single-thread performance. AMD has the advantage in energy efficiency, sustained workloads, and performance per dollar at most levels. And in the area of integrated AI, that chapter is still being written. Which one do you choose and why? Tell us in the comments. We want to know what processor you have and what you use it for. Subscribe to 8 Minutes Tech for more technology explained without filler. See you at the next level.